Delaware River and Bay Authority's entry to the Better Mousetrap Competition. This is a multi-nozzle manifold with a strategic spray pattern utilizing 25 and 40 degree nozzles. It is designed to remove debris and material from salt spreader conveyor chains for service and adjustment. The manifold is made of stainless steel tubing with TIG welded end caps. The 5 quick connect couplers are tapped and threaded into the manifold to accommodate changes for different applications. The procedure of servicing conveyor chains is a crucial aspect of maintenance for snow removal equipment. The manifold slid into the machine. A standard pressure washer is hooked up. The conveyor chain's turned on. That's how it works.